almost an impossibility. But for this moment in time, nothing else matters, for the predator or for the prey. And now the brothers are working in unison, collaborating to win this immense battle. It's hard to know which god selected this wildebeest. Was it random? Or is it his almost imperceptible limp from last year's water crossing? It is a moment in time, and yet it is timeless. These epic battles for survival are the result of wave after wave of millions of wildebeest that pour into the waiting teeth of the just 7,000 cheetahs left on the planet. Victory is short-lived. Now, each takes turns in defending their meal, while the other four feed up, before the hyenas can get the true measure of their strength or weakness. The one constant in their lives, however, is the darkness at the end of each day. The cheetah's way is usually to yield to that good night and walk towards tomorrow. The question is whether they can keep on outrunning these obstacles day after day.